mean, and I don't care about race, but they come to you like they got some kind of authority over you when they're a citizen just like you, asking you about a throne and shit like that. So, we'll see what happens here. And me, oh, okay, that might have been some type of hookup scenario because he's dropping her off. This could be a fucking affair going on right here. He's dropping her off in her car, and 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 he's staying in his. So this could have been some part-time lover. Hey, 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 we have always been that shit on the run, chasing love up against the sun. There she go, pulling off. We are strangers, I can't let up my mind. This is a part-time lover bullshit here. Feeling so right. Nah, maybe it's not. But yeah, man. So give me a tip if you know what's going on with this homicide. Look at the way they're pulling out. That's a part-time lover. You and me. Yeah. And he looking. Who's this? Is this a detective? Wife hired? I'm getting my dick wet by another woman. Is this a detective? Anyway, so man, give me tips. I'm about to get out of here. Casey Crime Fighter Sexiness. Just remember, African American male and an African American female was found dead in this parking lot. The black male was alive for a second, and he died at the hospital. So I'm out. Casey Crime Fighter. Peace.